Updating your legal name on Casting Networks is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your profile reflects your current legal name quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log in. Access your Casting Networks account by entering your username and password on the website or app. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile Settings option, usually found in the account menu. Click on it to access your personal information. Step 3. Edit your name. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit documentation. Prepare and upload any required legal documents that verify your name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Follow the prompts to attach these files. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your new name and documentation, review the changes for accuracy. Finally, confirm the updates to ensure your profile reflects your new legal name. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on Casting Networks. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.